3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Melissa Elstock from Spring Branch, Texas. I think the first thing you're going to notice about my half-scale model in terms of the design element is the color block. I have a bright yellow, bright pink, and then a very bright floral up here on the top. I went for kind of a stylized, maybe a lady newscaster might wear in the design. Princess lines down the front, and they're also in the back. I have a contrasting yoke and contrasting cap sleeves. I also have a kick pleat in the back and princess lines. When I made the pattern, how I made the pattern was I used a regular front bodice, a regular back bodice, but then I made them into the princess lines. On the front bodice, I got a bodice yoke, and so I cut it off and then tried to match it to cut it off at these 2 points. I made the skirts in the princess line, this one with a kick pleat, and then I blended them together using the techniques that we used when we made the sheath dress. The bodice yoke I self-lined, so cut 2. This is the facing for the back yoke. I brought it out here to match this. This is the cap sleeve. I cut 4 instead of 2 because I used it to self-line the sleeve. The coolest thing that I learned on this project was getting to see it by having a little dress form, which I ended up making because it looks so much more fun than having it flat. The challenge in this particular dress was right here you see these gathers. These gathers are not on my original drawing. When I did my bodice front and I did my bodice yoke, they did not match up. And I actually don't know why. So I have to work on that because I didn't really want gathers because this was supposed to be kind of stylish and not super feminine with gathers. So that is a change that I will be making. The other thing is, on this particular cap sleeve, after we've done this week's project, I now know how to make cap sleeves. So I will be making a long cap sleeve for this dress out with a new pattern. But other than that, I'm actually very happy with it, and I showed it to my friend and she's very happy with it. Thanks.
311.